Hi, you want to do a voiceover for your video in DaVinci Resolve 18 and you have a problem with the echo. I had that. I'm brand new to it and I could not find an answer. So stick with me because I figured it out. It's so easy. So as you can see, here we have DaVinci Resolve. I've got a scene here. If we go to Fairlight and you were gonna have an audio track here. I don't have, because I have no audio in this short clip for this demonstration, but you will. So just right click on your audio and add track. And as we are adding microphone, now we're gonna add mono. So we've created additional track, which is audio 2. It's this track here. If you don't have a mixer, you have an icon there that is a mixer. So if you just click that, it will appear. Yeah, make sure you selected audio 2, yeah, as your track, and there is a option here, no input. If you go in here and making sure that your Windows settings, because I'm doing this on Windows, or your Mac settings are set correctly, so they're pointed to your microphone that you're actually using. If that's the case, then you can just straight away go here. If not, you need to change that. In my case, this is the case, so I just press input and it takes me to audio inputs. I choose my microphone, which is Yeti, yeah, and a track, whichever track I would like. Yeah, these two are the first track from my video. I don't want it to be there. I want a separate audio track. So I select this and the patch button becomes available, you see. So I can patch it and just close this. Now you still can't see anything, and that's because it's not armed for record. And once you press this here, you will have arm for record, yeah. But if can you hear this? There we are. And that is actually the monitor. It's just as simple as this, and it gives you that error. So if you record right now, and to record right now, you just need to press record. Let me record right now, and you will hear in a moment how badly does it sound. So let me go back and play it to you. Let me record right now, and you will hear in a moment how badly does it sound. Yeah, and I can still hear this echo. There is a very simple solution to this, and it's like this. You go to the right and you press mute, and you can see how monitor is. So the line out is actually muted, and there is no issues now. I can just press record, and it will gonna record without any echoes or anything else. It's that simple. And then when you want to stop, you stop. When you want to listen to it, because right now if you press play, you won't hear anything. But you go back, you unmute it, record, and it will gonna record without any echoes or anything else. It's that simple. And then when you want to stop, see, let me just turn this off. Can you see that? That was very simple. And to be fair, I did not find that on YouTube, and it's probably for a reason, because it is very simple. But if me, the fool, looked, there's got to be one more person, not necessarily the fool, but there's got to be a one more person like me who's going to look for it. Yeah. So if you like what I did, please like and subscribe. This is going to help me. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. And on that note, just want to finish this video because I wanted to keep it short, so it can help people get to the bottom of what they're doing. Especially if they're new to DaVinci Resolve and they do want to do, voiceover with their normal setup. So thank you, take care, stay safe, goodbye.